In the kitchen with.
Are you done?
In the kitchen with whip it like a stir fry. In the kitchen with whip it like a stir fry.
Come on, hurry up so I can start.
Dance with my dogs in the night. Let me brush this real quick.
Scoot over a little bit more. Jesus, you need to figure out your leg situation.
You big over here, so you need to figure out your
here.
body situation.
Okay, that's rude. I'm pregnant. Did you just fart? I'm so little. Say excuse you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing from babylist.com. They finally sent me my free baby box full of stuff. We have no idea what's in this box.
Not at all.
And right here next to me is Greg. You guys all know Greg. Greg has been here.
It's my first time on here, guys. It's nice to meet y'all finally.
So Greg is going to be with me opening this box because he wasn't here when I did the other, what's that video? The free baby stuff video. So he wasn't here with me when I did that unboxing. So I wanted him to be here for this unboxing because I have not opened the box and we have no idea what's in here. And it sounds pretty heavy. So let's...
Oh, you said what?
Sounds pretty heavy.
How does it sound heavy?
Like it sounds like it's a lot of stuff in here. But you know what I mean? That's rude. Ruined. Now it's ruined. Ruined. Now you ruined the video. The box sounds like there's a lot of things in here. Thanks a lot, Greg. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. But before we jump into this unboxing, please click and subscribe to my channel to join the family, the team here on JACKIEA. And don't forget to hit your notifications if you want to be notified when I post a new video. So, Greg,
Let's get the unboxing, right?
you have to open it. Oh, it's so cute!
You want to show what it says?
Yes. So this is what it looks like. In the inside, it has a cute little sticker that says "Hello, Baby" by Babylist, and Parenthood is a trap. Yeah, it is.
It's a trip.
Oh. It's a trap. Oh my God.
Yes, all you fans, that's why I'm here.
I was like, that's why when I read it, I was like, okay. Oh, wow. Look at all this stuff. Okay. So there's like a ton of stuff in here. So we're going to show you guys what exactly. Would you let me do this? Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You can do it too. The first thing on top.
Start your journey, build a registry as unique.
Can you like speak up and have enthusiasm in your voice?
Babylist, start your journey, build a registry as unique as you are. Oh my God.
So lame. Oh, so what is it?
This talks about, you know, car seats. You can get strollers, setting up baby for a sweet slumber as far as sleep-wise, and different stuff you can
Just
do
some
on the
information?
baby registry.
Oh, okay. Just like a card with some different information and tips and things like that about maybe about baby lists, since Greg didn't really explain about that. Okay, so this card, it says today we got a hello baby box from Baby List, and we can put like our registry name on here. Today I felt the baby kick for the first time, and you put the date. It's like a milestone card basically, which is really cute. And what is it?
Like, you know, the boogie wipes.
Oh, so there's a sample of the
Booger wipe.
what is it called? Frida Baby? Frida Baby? Breathe Frida?
The booger wiper.
Yeah, it's kind of like those boogie wipes I showed in the other unboxing, but this is just a different brand. So it's just cool. And then we get a 20% off using a certain code.
Moving on to the next.
Okay. That's weird.
It's another thing about Frida Baby. This is the gas passer. Gassy tummy. Is this for the baby?
Yeah, it's for the baby. Oh, can you stick it in their butt?
Safely freeze farts.
It's for when your baby has gas, but I'm like, do you stick it in their butt? Because that's what it looks like. You stick it in their butt. Oh my God, you stick this in the baby's booty. Oh my God, Zoe would have hated me for life for this. So they sent me more little baby registry cards, and I already ordered some online because on their website you can order free baby registry cards, and I ordered 20, but they also sent me some inside the box, so I have extra. So yeah, we have a lot of baby registry cards. So it basically just tells them that, hey, we're registered at babylist.com, and you know, and they can just put in our names and just find our registry.
Alright, what is this one? Is this a pamper?
Read the thing.
It says Pampers, Mom to be registry gift. Okay.
Okay, so let's open it. From Pampers.
It's just little gifts in here.
Okay. So inside this cute little bag that you can reuse to put like different baby things in, there is this like a coupon book? Yeah, it's a coupon book. Oh my god, it has all different types of coupons in here. So there's a whole coupon book.
It's talking about registry.
Talk about the Pampers registry. You can also have a registry with Pampers, or put Pampers on your registry.
You can get 6 wipes.
6 wipes, can't go wrong. So we got more baby wipes and a pamper. One cute little.
Was that pamper that small?
Yes, this is a newborn pamper. Look how little. I don't like Pampers that much, but I do like that they have that line on there, so when they pee, you can tell, and they change the color because, you know, it turns green. Mm-hmm. But I don't know why we didn't like the Pampers too much.
It's just the Huggies were bad.
Yeah, but it's so tiny, guys. We're going to have somebody this small. Can you not rush me? So mean.
Cetaphil?
Mm-hmm.
Is that how you say it?
I think so.
Cetaphil.
I'm horrible with names.
They have, you know, wash and shampoo.
I'll just do it.
One of the bottles.
So is this shampoo?
This is moisturizing oil.
Oil.
Daily lotion.
Wait, oil? Oh, it's oil, for real.
That's what it be. This is baby diaper cream.
Oh, that's a small tube. I like how they did that.
Oh, they put something in here for you.
What?
They have mommy. What is this?
What is that?
Mommy lubricant for
no,
baby
it's
number
not.
3.
You couldn't be here. It's gentle skin cleanser for face and body, and a daily advanced lotion for your body. So for the mom. So they did put something in here for me, but it's not lubricant. Thank God. We won't need that. So they sent.
Not at all.
So they sent a whole cute little pack in here. Wait, is this a breast pump?
This is a breastfeeding starter pack.
What? It's by who? Twist. Oh, wow. What is that? So is it like a breast pump?
I don't think it's a breast pump.
So this package contains a breast milk storage pouch with a twist lock cap, direct breast pump. It is a breast pump.
It is?
It's a pump. But how do you use it? Hold on. So here's like the main thing. And this is what I hope that's not upside down. This is what it looks like. So I'm assuming it's like a small little handheld breast pump.
Yeah, you gotta put it together.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't do it now because I don't need it yet. Uh-oh, shit. I'm just dropping everything. But this is, I'm so confused. Wait, is this a nipple? Wait, so do I pump? Is this a bottle? Oh, okay. It's a pump and a bottle at the same time. Wait, it's a pump and a bottle. Look. And then we get a 50% off coupon so we can get like more bags and more bottles. Cause like that's like the pump, and
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, like so you use the pump to pump the milk, and then you attach this cute nipple thingy. However you open this, you attach the little nipple to the app, like take the pump part off and attach this part, and then the baby can just drink straight from there. So from like, that's cool. So if you, if I'm at a restaurant and have to go to the bathroom to pump real quick and then come back and just give the baby the stuff. Like that's actually really cool. Like it's one of the best things we got.
You want to give your child the world, so do we. From T. Join the adventure, a $25 gift for you.
What is T? Oh, it's like a clothing company. And we get $25. That's cute. Oh, we have to spend $50 or more to use it. But that's still cool though. So I'm going to check that out because I've never heard of T before. T.com.
This is for the app Urban Sitter. You get a $50 babysitting gift card.
That's cool. I don't know. Do we need a babysitter?
I don't know. What do you do all day? Moving on.
This is from Tiny Tags. Oh, it's like the cute little necklaces you can get for your baby. And we get a $25 off from a $100 purchase. This is really cute. You can do like little charms and stuff.
So this is organic nipple balm. Did we see this at Target?
It's from Boob Ease, and it's organic nipple balm, and basically it soothes and protects and moisturizes your nipples, especially when you breastfeed. They can get really dry and tender. A free like sample right here. So they sell this. Yeah, they do have this at Target because they sell it at Target, Babies R Us, Amazon, and Walmart.
Okay,
so yeah, that was one of the ones we saw. The last thing is from. How do you say that? You know how to say that, Brian? I couldn't say it in the last video. It's another little coupon from that company I shall not pronounce. And it's another nipple soothing sample for your nipples. Keep them from being cracked and dry. And I have a $1 off coupon. What's the last thing, Travis?
The very last thing, as you said the other video, before you said the last thing, but it's not.
Oh, I said this was the last thing?
Yep.
From Lucy Darling?
Lucy Darling.
Oh, they're so cute. I'm guessing that's not for us. That's for the kids.
Yeah. Zoe will have fun with this.
And you get a 10% off your first purchase. I wonder what else do they have. It's so cute. Zoe actually has some. There's something for me and Zoe and the baby. Nothing for Greg because he's not important. He just donated sperm. Okay, guys, so that was the unboxing of the Baby List box that they send. I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys to check them out if you are currently pregnant, or if you know someone that is pregnant. You can check them out and start your registry on babylist.com, and they'll soon send you a box. It was well worth it. Some of these products I didn't even get in my other bags. So also check the description box for any other links and codes and websites that for my last free stuff for babies video, just in case if you missed that video, and I will leave a link to that video down below, because you can get a whole bunch of information about a free breast pump, a free belly wrap, and just free products, free formula, and Pampers. So please check that out if you haven't seen that video already. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy Greg here on my channel, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Oh, my bad. Bye.